Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos and sometimes tattoo related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So it's been a couple of weeks since I uploaded a proper video. That is because I decided to take some time off for the holidays from filming and just focus on meeting with family and friends. I did work in between the holidays, but nothing too extravagant. So in this video, I will be attempting my first pet portrait tattoo on fixed skin. The stencil you will see in this video is not a design I made. It's actually a stencil from the tattoo shop I go to as an apprentice. I asked if I could have the remaining stencil to practice on at home and they were kind enough to give it to me. So this design isn't mine, but I really wanted to attempt shading and see if I can make a proper pet portrait tattoo on fake skin. So my tattoo journey has been going pretty well. During the holidays I didn't really go to the tattoo shop, only once, but before that I did tattoo myself. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I made a rose tattoo on myself a couple of weeks ago. I will insert some pictures here of it and some videos I took while making the tattoo. The experience was really interesting. I learned a lot about needle depth, about the pain of the tattoo, about how the skin reacts, and basically my hand speed and machine speed. So it was an experience I needed, because I was really scared on working on just clients and fucking up their skin, but on myself I could do whatever I want. I attempted a bit of shading as well. The tattoo I made was with a 3 liner and a 5 liner. The shading was done with a 5 liner, and basically it was the learning experience I needed. So for this year I have a couple of tattoos lined up. One is this design with birds. Hopefully I will get to do it in the near future. I also have a couple of pet paws to do, and yeah, some of my friends really want tattoos from me, but they're not sure what to get yet. So I do have a couple of clients lined up, which is pretty exciting. It's very good practice for me. I noticed that with fixed skin I'm very comfortable right now. As you will see, the tattoo I'm working on in this video has turned out pretty decent, and I think I'm headed in the right direction, but I'm still struggling with tattooing on real skin. So yeah, basically that's what's been going on. I worked on Patreon stuff during the holidays, and you can check out my Patreon if you want to know what I do there. I basically offer monthly art mail and all sorts of behind the scenes and photos and monthly desktop wallpapers. So if you're interested in that and want to support me over there, I will leave a link to my Patreon in the description box. And yeah, this year I want to focus on tattooing and changing basically my career. Hopefully it will go well, we'll see. I'm really excited about this year and I feel like this will be the year that counts for my career. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about my tattoo journey so far and what are your thoughts on this pet portrait. I would love to know if you consider this a good tattoo or not, and keep watching to see how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!